Can this make you stupid? Not exactly, but it can. Let me explain.
Ultra processed food will not instantly make you stupid, but there is a solid evidence that it can slowly damage brain health, worsen mood, and memory. Imagine trying to use your phone, but it is full of junk apps. That is basically how your brain is working with all the ultra processed food in your system. Ultra processed food are not just anything in a packet, they are industrial formulas built from cheap starches, added sugar, unhealthy fats, salt, and a long list of additives that barely resemble whole food.
Large population based studies have shown that people who eat more ultra processed food have higher risk of depression, anxiety, inattention, and hyperactivity, especially in young people. A US based study also showed that a 10% increase in UPF intake is linked to significantly higher rates of cognitive impairment and stroke.
So, no, a single packet of chips is not going to make you dumb, but living on the stuff makes it harder to think clearly, regulate emotion, and stay mentally sharp. You must be thinking, how does ultra processed food even control your brain, right? Well, your eating is controlled by two main systems in the brain: homeostatic system that answers, do we actually need calories right now? And hedonic system that answers, do we want this because it tastes amazing and feels rewarding? UPF are engineered to slam the hedonic system. Sweet, salty, fatty, soft, melt in the mouth kind. So the reward circuits keep pushing you to eat more even when you are not hungry. Recent brain scan research in tens of thousands of adults found that higher UPF intake is linked to microstructural changes in key feeding related regions, including the hypothalamus and reward centers, suggesting inflammation and possible neurodegeneration, not just extra calories. The more UPF you eat, the more your brain rewires itself to want UPF, making self-control harder over time. UPFs do not just bring calories, it brings with it a lot more. Higher intake is consistently tied to higher body fat, waist size, and visceral fat, worse blood sugar control, higher inflammation, and these same markers, chronic inflammation, high blood sugar, and disordered lipids, are classic risk factors for cognitive decline, dementia, and brain atrophy. So, how is this making us stupid, you ask? High sugar intake can impair your brain's ability to use insulin, which is crucial for processing thoughts and emotions. Saturated fats found in many UPFs have been linked to lower scores on memory and brain function tests. Chemicals like emulsifiers, artificial flavors, and preservatives in UPFs can disrupt your gut microbiome, which is closely linked to your brain health. This can lead to inflammation and cognitive decline over time. Even foods that are healthy in natural form, like fish or chicken, can become harmful when fried or heavily processed. These foods can lead to weakened brain power and memory loss. So no one wakes up one morning dumber because they ate junk food while binge watching their favorite show last night. But over the time, this style of eating can blunt memory and learning, weaken attention and impulse control, increase the risk of long-term cognitive decline. The good news is that our brain can repair and rewire when you change the inputs. Studies show that people who eat more minimally processed food, whole fruits and vegetable, pulses, nuts, basic meats, and whole grains have lower risk of cognitive decline and stroke, even when you account for calories.
Ultra processed food is not just a waistline problem, it is a brain problem too. Over time, it quietly lowers the operating system of your brain, while real food helps your brain stay faster, clearer, and yes, less stupid.